Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick overview on how to do your assignment today and find the journals articles in Journals A to Z. But first, let me do a quick overview for you. This is the main Walker Library website, if you're not familiar with it. If you ever have a question for a librarian, you can go ahead and ask us in the chat feature. Go ahead and do that, and if the library is open, you will get a chat box pop up. They're offline right now, but if they're online, they will answer your question right in that box. So, if I needed to find a book, I would look in the library catalog. Say I was looking for readers' advisory books. I would search here and I would see all the readers' advisory books that are available. If I instead just want to find a random article on a topic, then I would search in this box right here. I like to use the advanced search just because I'm usually searching for more than one term. So I would search for large print, reading comprehension. So if I do this, this brings up all sorts of articles about large print and reading comprehension. Alright, but for this assignment, I told you to use Journals A through Z, which help you to browse a journal. So I'm going to choose one that is not on your list, Computers in Libraries, and I'm going to search. So you'll see that Computers in Libraries is indexed in several different databases, and it doesn't really matter which one you use, just make sure that it has the correct dates that you're interested in. Some of them are different. These are kind of all the same, but that's not always the case. I like Academic Search Ultimate. It doesn't really matter, but let's go into that. So I found Computers in Libraries, and this is going to let me virtually browse all of the issues that MTSU has online. For any print holdings, you would go to the library catalog and look up what MTSU has in print. So let me just say that viewing it this way is great, but you are going to miss some things that you would not get in the actual subscription. Going page by page, you're going to miss editorials, ads, reviews, just different things that might be in the regular print or electronic issue. But this is sometimes all you have, so it's better than nothing. If we go into 2019, we can see that the last issue was issue number 4 of this year. And these are the articles that are in that issue. So if we pick one, we can click on the title. And here you have an option. Well, first of all, let's talk about this. So this tells you right here all the information you need to cite this article. It is not in APA format. And while we're talking about that, let's go over to this cite feature. This is pretty cool, except that if you did copy this APA reference, it is still not exactly correct, because for some reason this doesn't get the capitalization correct. In APA, you only capitalize the first title of the first word of the title and then the first word of the subtitle, if there is one, unless there's pronouns or personal names in there. So if you do copy and paste this, you need to change the capitalization. Just a side note on that. When I'm looking at an article, I always choose the PDF full text so that I can see the entire thing as it was intended to look, including the page numbers. So you will see that the article comes up just like you would see it in print. And this is how you view the article in full. Sometimes when you're messing around on the internet, you're going to run across articles, but you're not going to see the full article. Going through the library always allows you to see the full article because they have paid for all of these articles and journals and databases for you, and that's the value of the library over the internet. Not everything is available for free, and this is definitely one of those cases. So I hope this was helpful, and have a great week.